Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, I am trying out a different angle with the Beyblade Stadium because I really like the lighting that my window grants me. So, yeah, no. It looks pretty. Anyways, we're doing a 3D printed Beyblade battle. This 3D printed Beyblade battle will be with Cosmic Smite again, but it'll be more of a... It's more of a test to see if Cosmic Smite can move up in the Superior 7 to become one of the upper 3. So there's a lower 3 and an upper 3, and then there's that middle section, and that middle section is just like the halfway point, the gatekeeper to the upper 3. And yeah, Smite's at that point, and unfortunately his opponent is not an easy one. We have Cosmic Smite. The chip is some of the details are rubbed off, but it's fine. Going up against Tyrant, the scariest Beyblade I know aside from what's his name? War Smite. God dang it. He is using his stock combo. This is Metal Extreme, by the way. And yeah, no, we will be going first to... Let's back this up here real quick. Hold on. I don't want to hit move my fan. I don't want to hit my knuckles and hurt myself. But yeah, no, so we'll be going for 7 points as per usual. I am terrified of Tyrant, but some battles have to be fought. Let's go. Okay. Good hits, come on! Smite survived the onslaught, 1-0. My first LR launcher. Oh crap! Smite snapping. My first LR launcher, RL launcher, works best in left rotation, but that's the only rotation it works. And if you try right, it's going to struggle immensely. Let's keep going. Jesus! Come on! 2-0. Come on, Smite. Smite took almost half damage there. I love how Cosmic can actually burst. It makes it feel so much more lively. Tyrants dishing the attacks, but they ain't enough for the moment. Oh! Come on! You can take it, Smite. Oh no. Stamina. Ooh, barely. Smite has really good LAD with this driver. 3-0. Come on, Smite. You could take him. Oh no, I'm gonna have to reprint Smite's layer key because all the details are coming off due to being struck on the top. I'll have to go back in the workshop and fix that up when I get my computer back. Okay. Let him. Ow! Okay. Stamina has to be equal, man. Jesus! Okay. Tyrant's first point. 3-1. Good knockout. I'll give it that. Come on, Smite. You can take him. I know you can. Oh, I just threw my ripcord. Come on, Smite! You have better stamina. And you can spin seal off him. 4-1. I threw my ripcord all the way across my room. Okay, so 4-1. Smite, I don't know how he's holding up for the moment, but he is, and I'm proud of him for it. Come on, Cosmic Smite. Mind you, War Smite couldn't beat Tyrant. War Smite's stamina died way too quickly. Oh, come on! Come on! If it was a break, we don't count. If it was a burst, we count. Come on. Was it a break? It was a burst. So that's what? 4-3? Yeah, 4-3. All right. Come on. Come on. You can do it, Smite. I want to change out his teeth. I am going to change Smite's teeth out just in case. Just in case it was like a minor break or something. I don't know. I'm still counting it as a burst because I didn't see any damage, but I'm still changing Smite's teeth just in case. As I said. Hold on. Let's flip this around. There we go. Then let's reattach the driver. There we go. Okay. New fresh teeth for Smite just in case. Come on. That's 4-3. This is close. Tyrant can burst Smite. Come on! 4-4. Freaking nugget. Tyrant once wedged a long piece of filament into my finger like a splinter once. It hurts a lot. But you know, you gotta manage sometimes. Let's do this. Okay. Take 2, part 2. Come on, Smite! You can take him. It'll come down to stamina, maybe. If Smite can hold. Good. 5-4. Smite is just so much shorter than Tyrant, so Tyrant can hit the top layer key with much ease whatsoever. So, Tyrant has all the ability to burst Smite right now. It's just a matter of if he can land the right hits to cause that. And he's already proven that he can. Come on, Smite. Come on. You've beaten tougher opponents. Come on, Smite. You still have the... You don't have the gas. 5-5. This is close. If Tyrant bursts Smite now, it's over. Smite's burst resistance has to stick. Come on. God freaking dang you, Smite. Just stay on the launcher. Alright, guys. Come on, come on, come on. You can do this, Smite. You can win! Come on! Spin seal! Spin seal! Spin seal! No. 6-5. Come on, Smite. Please. Please. Beat him. My finger's stuck. Alright. Smite's always had really weak knockout resistance. So, let's just hold for 2 more battles. 2 more battles! No! That's not what I wanted. Don't do that. Again, Smite. This is... You're starting to be stupid. Don't be an idiot. Come on, Smite! Come on! You have the rotation speed. Don't let him win. Don't let him win. Don't let him win. 6-6. Oh my god, this next battle will decide it. Come on! You can do this, Smite. You can do this. Just 1 more battle, that's all it takes. Don't get knocked out. Don't get your stamina killed. Oh, yes! 7-6! Smite sent Tyrant out of the stadium! Yes! Smite's in the new upper three. Now the upper three of the Superior 7 are ruled by Dynamite Switch Frame Bays. And Tyrant is now the gatekeeper. Yes! I do 100% think that Smite and Tyrant are virtually equal. It's just Smite has more stamina to keep up. And once again, might I say, this is a completely worn Smite. I have no idea how it's holding up still, but it is. I mean, even the layer keys designs are coming off right there. So, I mean, Jesus Christ. That was awesome. We have Smite's the third place member now. He's got to go after Arachne next. But, yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe. I just noticed something. Smite's able to go up against left rotation Sparking Bays now. Smite's able to go against left rotation Sparking Bays now. Because he was weak to left spin Sparking. Oh, this is huge. This is huge. Like, this is monumental. I have more confidence in going against Demon King now. And this isn't even the finished Smite. I still got to do some tinkering around with its weight and such. Oh, this is monumental. Cosmic Smite really is the strongest Smite. By a long shot. Wow. I hope you all enjoyed this video, because I sure did. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.